Damn, don't she look good? Alright, so we just got...
welcome back to another vlog.
Alright, so we just got the go ahead. Oh my god, it's totally not focusing properly. Can you focus properly? What do you want? You want autofocus? Yeah, there we go. Alright, so we just got the go ahead to go and have a look at the bumper. It's been finished, painted. It's about 8 o'clock at night, so we're just going to go head over to my mate's house and see what it looks like and see if we can pick it up or transport it or something and install it over the weekend. Dope. Can't wait! God damn, this thing looks so bunk now. No lip on it. 3M tape still on. Plasti dip. Alright, so it's been a couple of days now since we had a look at the bumper. We've just got it back actually, so we're about to go and put it on now. Super excited. Get it done. I don't have the molds yet. We've got half the molds at one, like one black mold, one red mold to go in, and I'm waiting on one black, one red. So we're waiting for those, then they get painted and put those on once they arrive and get painted, which will be cool because then the bumper will actually be complete. At the same time, my Muse bumper will be again painted and fitted properly to the car, and hopefully I can get a duck bill at the same time. That'd be super sick. Oh fuck! Does definitely need the molds, but that looks good. Damn, yeah. You can see the colour difference though. Well, she's on. As you can see, we don't have a mould down here. And then there's like a little mould here, and obviously the DRLs, but those are going to wait. Very interestingly, it's only held on by 2 clips. Well, screws, or bolts, whatever. The undershroud and everything doesn't seem to line up with the holes, so I guess I have to go for the aluminium one. But I think 2 bolts holding it in, all the clips, that's fine. I don't think that's going to cause any issues. And now we won't scrape. I also have kind of explained it on video, but I haven't explained it on video because I probably won't actually upload that content. My car's throwing a check engine light. It threw it while I was in Wellington, which is about 8 hours away, 9 hours away, something like that. So it threw it there. I didn't know what was going on, so I did a soft ECU reset, and that cleared the code. Then it came back on, so I've come and got it checked at a shop with an OB2 reader, OBD2 reader, and it turns out that my catalytic converters have some sort of fuel system efficiency, fuel something or other. Car's fine to drive, but it's throwing the check engine light obviously. So I've got to go get some catalytic converters. So I don't know if I want to go test pipes or high flow cats. I'd have to go resonate test pipes. I'm not going test pipe because that'd be too loud and I can't be bothered with that. So we've got more content for that coming up then. So that'll be fun.